Here's how to edit the Read More button in WordPress full guide. I'm already logged into the dashboard, so click Posts in the left menu, then All Posts. Pick a published post and click its title to open it in the editor. Once the post loads, scroll down to where you want the preview to stop. I'm placing the cursor right after the introduction. Click the plus button at the top left of the editor, type More in the search field. Select the More block from the list. WordPress drops in a Read More divider, and you can see the default Read More text sitting inside that divider. Click directly on that Read More text. Type Continue Reading. Keep it short and clear because this label is the entire call to action on your blog page. If you want a different version later, read full article, view article, and learn more all work fine. Click somewhere else in the editor and the new text stays in the More block. Click Update in the top right to save the post. Now open the public version of the post. I'm going to the blog page, not the individual post, because that's where this block actually does its job. On the archive listing, WordPress cuts off the post right at the More block. You see the intro text, then the Continue Reading link. Click that link once and it opens the full article. So the More block controls the post summary on listing pages, not what appears on the article itself. Back in the editor, click directly on the More block text if you want to change the wording again. I'll change it to Read Full Article. Click Outside, then click Update. Visit the blog page and check the updated text. If the public page still shows the old text, your theme is overriding the More block label, and that's usually fixed in the customizer. Now the appearance. If you're using a block theme, go to Appearance, then Editor. Open the template that handles your blog posts or post archives. Find the Read More block or the element your theme uses. Click it and the block settings open on the right. You'll typically see text color, background color, typography, font size, spacing, padding, and margin. I'm going to change the text color to white and give it a dark background so it reads like a button. Adjust those to match your site and click Save. Don't make the button too dominant, it should be easy to spot, but the post title and featured image still need to lead the page. If you're on Ocean WP, open Appearance, Customize instead. Look for blog settings, then open the blog archive or blog listing settings. Depending on the version and any extensions, the control sits under blog entries, blog style, excerpt, or read more. I'll open blog entries and change the read more text here. Preview the change so you can see it update live, then click Publish. Back in the post editor, the More block can be moved. Click the block to select it. Use the Move Up or Move Down controls in the toolbar to place it after the introduction where you want the preview to stop. Don't place it too early. A couple of sentences above the link gives people a reason to click through. Click Update. To remove the Read More button, open the post and click the More block. Click the three-dot menu in the block toolbar, then choose Remove. Click Update. The block is gone from this post, but your theme may still add its own Read More link to the archive if it's using automatic excerpts, so check the blog page before you assume it's completely gone. If the button isn't showing, go to Posts, All Posts, and confirm the post is marked Published. Then open the blog page and make sure you're viewing the post archive, not the individual post, because the individual article shows the full content. If you're using automatic excerpts, the theme controls the link, so go into Appearance, Customize, and look under Blog Settings for Excerpt and Read More options. While editing the post, open the post settings in the sidebar and find the excerpt field. Write a short summary there. A custom excerpt can be better than letting the More block cut the first paragraph because you control the exact text above the Read More link. I'm typing a one-line summary that tells the reader what they'll learn. Now preview the blog page and look at several posts together. If one says Continue Reading and another says Read More, the listing looks inconsistent. Pick one label and use it everywhere. Test the link on a narrow browser width too, because a long label can wrap and break the layout on mobile. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push the video to other people looking for the same thing.